everyone.
When I come home, I want a package in my mailbox that's full of secrets and so stuffed with stuff I can feel the skin of the person who sent it on my fingertips. When I come home, I want emails and text messages in my inbox so jammed with jam I can feel the skin of the person who sent them on my fingertips. When I come home, I want roses and lavender on my bedside table, calendula and lily of the valley, Queen Anne's lace and broken peony petals so brimming to the brim they fall from the stems with the desire to touch my fingertips. When I come home, I want to be home. I want to feel home, with you in my bed, waiting to hold me with your hands in my hair and lips so full with full they break over my fingertips. I want to feel the universe like I was skinny dipping in the Amazon River, so ample with electric eels that current slides over my body till it becomes a part of me. I want to touch my face in the mirror, so deep it breaks, and silver slivers of glass cut my fingertips to draw blood so red it's cardinal carmine wine. When I come home, I want to veer voluptuously into the screaming scenes of the universe on a shattered path of obsidian obstacles and indigo indecencies until I ignite with inchoate beauty so awful it tears me from all four corners. I want to feel lost till I feel found again. I want to be blue till I can be aquamarine. I want to lose hope so I can find it again. I want to forget the feeling of my fingertips until I can touch them again. And then, when I find home again, when I come home again, when I come home, then I'll be home.